Okay.
Oh, hi everybody. I'm glad you're there. Remember my last video about parrots? Was my cute parrot May? She is my pet. So do you know what is pet? Pets are the animals. They're normal animals, or sometimes they're rare. But we can pet them and be safe. We also can play with them. Here. Can you see one of the example about pet right in this cage? A bird. Look at how she's cute. Or you can choose a cat. Or to me is she is so cute. Or a scary dog to me. But don't show that dog to me. I'm afraid of dog. Or you can choose some bird else, not only parrot. But you can't choose eagle. I hope there will be no problem. But the cage was the biggest problem. It will fly so far and you're lost. Or maybe crashes goes in.
So it's very friendly.
So it is so frightened. But the bird, like this cute parrot, was so cute. I love her. You can choose a quietly a fish or some funny monkey that can make you laugh. Parrots can make you laugh too by making jokes.
Oh, what the food for the parrot?
What is the food for the parrot? You can buy a bird food in the bird store, like me. And I also added some dried rice. It's a good idea to use this bird feeder like this, so your parrot can eat it easily because her beak is unique. It's right, isn't it? Aww.
Oh.
Or you can play with her by feeding her some food. Such as I do. But cautious about her habit. She always do one thing. Do you know what it is? Aww.
So what food the parrot does you like the most?
Of course, I would like to feed my parrot corn. That's her favorite food. Of this kind, short-tailed parrot.
Oh, how about the fruit?
Yes, she can eat fruit and vegetables. vegetable too. But when you want your parrot to learn how to speak, you must use something like a seed. Like this is the half-cut seed now. You also need water in the same kind of bird feeder, like this, because as I said before, her beak is unique. Hey, that's right.
Oh, I see the most her like apple the most.
She like apple.
Yes.
But what about we talk about cat and dog? The most famous kind of pet. It's so hot. Wow. They eat meat, but they also eat grasses. Some kind of dog or some kind of cat eat rats too. They eat many things. But you have to remember not to feed any kind of animals or birds. The avocado. Humans are the only one who won't be mad about its poison from the leaf. That is so good. Pretty good to me.
So what pet does you like the most?
I love cats,
Yeah.
but dogs was scary. What about fish? The fish eat food, of course, and they drink water too. But you only have to put them in an aquarium or a fish bowl. It will help out about drinking water for fish. They use their skin. Some kind of fish, they don't have to pee, but sometimes some kind of fish have to pee because the water. Wow. But sometimes some country has unique pets. They're so unique that they can harm you. They can harm you, really, like red-eyed snakes or even crocodiles. They're so scary. Sometimes people died because give their love in this kind of pet. And what is the wild animal? Wild animals we like pet only can met at the zoo because they feed it by the right way and it is better. to go to another place. A special place. Time for rare animals. Many kinds of cats are rare. Some as big as a panther. Wow. And the rare are some is very thin and like to play with children. They're friendly too. So much things and so much pets. But wait, hamsters are pets too. They have toys and they have a little bit of IQ. But parrots sometimes has much IQ. But peoples are the most bad behavior animal.